I'm just tired. Hello, y'all. How are you guys? How's everyone doing today? Okay. So it's Monday night, and we're back with another live. I'm Corrine from Face Accounting and Consulting Services. And tonight we're going to be talking about something that trips up a lot of businesses and owners. And that's how to properly track online payments and transfer from apps like PayPal, Zelle, Stripe, and Cash App. Me and Cash App have a love-hate relationship. So you might think it's simple. Money comes in, money goes out. But if you're not tracking it right, you could be double counting income, missing fees, or leaving money on the table come tax time. And if you're growing, this can cost you thousands, not hundreds, but thousands of dollars. So let's break it down. When a customer pays you through Stripe or PayPal, that's income. But when the money hits your bank account later, that's just a transfer. So if you record both as income, you're over reporting. So if you skip one, you're probably missing a fee or worse. So that's messing up your cash flow. These platforms aren't just apps, they act like a separate bank account. And if you're not treating them like that in the books, your numbers aren't telling you the truth at all. So here's what you really need to do to keep things clean. Know your money moves, map out the full flow, where the money starts, where it lands, and what happens in between. So that's the Stripe, then it hits your bank, and then it's the fees. Okay. You're going to reconcile the platforms like bank accounts. So Stripe, PayPal, etc. need monthly reconciliations, just like your checking account. Treat them with the same respect. Okay. Stripe Bank is not income; it's a transfer. So if you count it as income again, you're doubling up, like you're double dipping basically. You want to track your fees. So let's say you got $97 from a $100 payment. Don't book $97 as income. Book $100 as income and $3 as expense, so your books reflect the full picture. Okay. Then you also want to use clearing accounts if needed. This helps you stay organized and avoid mixing up pending payouts or unmatched transfers. The next part is what not to do. Don't count both the payouts and the deposit as income. Don't do that. Don't ignore platform fees, chargebacks, or refunds. Don't mix personal and business in one Cash App or PayPal. So if you have a Cash App, stick to only business for your Cash App. And if you have a PayPal, make it a PayPal business account. You don't want to have it commingled. Don't rely on your bank. Don't rely basically only on your bank. You want to use those apps that matter. So every mistake here equals more taxes, more stress, and a messy audit trail. I'm all about the audit, babe. We don't want you to have an audit and then there's no trail and there's no way to like prove things. And then once you do like an audit, once you get audited and they see you find like a little mistake, then they kind of like try to like dive deeper. So we always try to make sure we're audit proof here in these parts. All right. Should I connect Stripe directly to QuickBooks or Xero? Yes, but double check the setup. Make sure you're not duplicating income. Reconcile monthly. So, if for instance, like I just said, with a clearing account, this is where when it's perfect for a clearing account because what you're going to do is that when the transactions come over from Stripe, you're going to hits your bank account. You're going to put that automatically in a clearing account, and then in your Stripe, that's when you're going to break down the income. When the Stripe clearing account, you're going to break down the income and the expenses, and that's how the clearing account basically works. So, okay. So what if I already double counted income? Go back and delete the duplicate. Only count it where the money first came in. The bank side is just a transfer, y'all. Just a transfer. Okay, so just focus on that part. And how do I track refunds or chargebacks? Record the sale as income, then log the refund as a refund expense or a negative income. So you can also, that refund, when I say negative income, you can also put the refund as an income as well. But if you want to be able to track all the refunds you've done, that's when you want to create a refund expense account. And that account you would actually put under a cost, like a cost of goods sold account. So you can see it up on the upper part of the profit and loss and not with your general expenses. Okay. And you always check that The net matches your Stripe/PayPal report. That's the way we're reconciling. Okay. So tracking online payment rate isn't optional, it's essential. If this is overwhelming or you feel behind, we help business owners. Like, this is what I do. We help business owners clean this up all the time. Reach out, book a call, or even just send me a DM or write a comment. I'll reach out to you, right? So know someone who uses Stripes or PayPal needs help. Tag them right now and be here next Monday, 7 p.m. Because I'm gonna be here next Monday. Because if I the weekend I just had this reunion weekend, and I could be here today to do this. This is like actually my first thing that I had to do that had to use my professional brain since like Thursday or Wednesday. So I came on live. I showed up, y'all. I showed up. I made it. Even though I stuck my room punch upstairs, waiting to be finished. So we're covering what happens when your books are months behind. That's what we're doing next week. And that's going to be more exciting than this right now. But we're going to talk about how to fix it fast. Okay. So see you there. Enjoy your week, everybody. I hope you have a productive, a profitable week. Bye. Bye.